Chop, nigga. I must chop, nigga. Mr. Lyrical Fantastic. Master of freestyling down there. Shout out to my niggas. Real niggas. Las Vegas. LA. Gangsta niggas know the business when I spit it. That's why these niggas be bullshitting, and these niggas that be blue got me crippin' too. Ooh, bullshit. Nigga never really pull shit. Got a Glock, got a knuckle sandwich like a full fist. When I spit, I make these bitches wanna drool and get up on my stick and then they drooling again. Same niggas spitting in, never interfere with anybody that's in they fear. Never in the sin, never really thought about the difference of they fucking friends. If they fucking then they cool, that's rude. But really what's the truth to a noodle in no room? And the nigga who be spitting trying to dig into her womb. I'm a hard young nigga, but a heartless killer nigga. Get up in these niggas' chest, bang like gorillas, yes. And if you niggas wanna change, then get in that vest, nigga. It'll shoot you up and make you niggas depressed, yes. And now you press like 100 pounds, nigga. Every time I bust a Glock, it's 100 rounds. Now I gotta go to the bar, drink a couple rounds. Never been a sound to a man who is underground. Now when I rise up, nigga, I'm zombie. Every time I rip it, you niggas just wanna find me. Mr. Young Jones, YouTube never bind me. Never really thought about bonding with big bodies. Every time I rap it, I hit it like hard bodies. That Mr. Young Jones, Illuminati, I got him. Fuck around with the war, it's thugged out, niggas. Nigga killing you, niggas. Shut up with mouth to mouth, nigga. Hottest nigga to spit it out of his snout, nigga. Mr. Elephant, when I kick you out, leave you out, nigga. Recognize when I spit rise, nigga, like the sunrise. Prepare for my sunshine. And when I get up in your mind, it will make you blind, make you mesmerized, like you seen Beyonce in time. Yeah, I'm real with it. Keep it so watered out like the Pacific. Now I'm spitting wicked, really visualizing what was different. Now you niggas hating cause a niggas spit it so persistent. And if you really with it, then get with it. But you niggas think y'all got it, but really you also different. I got a swag that can make your bitch miss it. And niggas saying swag back cause my swag is winning. I say swag is my swag, but really I don't give it. I just say whatever I want and give it back. Donations, bitches.